Hey guys, my name is Aman and in this video I'm going to talk about the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G in the color Mirage Blue. Let me tell you more about it. This smartphone runs on the fantastic MIUI 13 operating system based on Android 12. It is unlocked for 5G so you can experience greater connectivity at the best speeds. The phone boasts an unbelievable 6GB RAM and a whooping 128GB internal memory. It features a triple camera setup with a 108MP primary camera and an 8MP ultra wide lens and a 2MP macro sensor lens for flawless photography. The phone features a beautiful 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display and runs on its Snapdragon 695 5G processor. Enjoy your phone all day and then some with its powerful 5000 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging. This phone is also available in Sleek Black and Phantom White and a 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage variant. So pick according to your convenience.